to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. It's a great summer morning today and it's not too hot yet. So it's one of my favorite ways to start the day by creating a new painting. And I have this pretty large canvas here I prepared with white, and we're going to use it's sort of a funnel open cup, and I'm gonna swipe the colors over some white in the middle. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna put the white on first. Now, so this is my base coat, the white, and I mix Floetrol and water in here. And I'm going to put it in the middle, mostly. Have like a white, sort of like a river running down the middle. Now I'm going to add a little silicone oil. You don't have to do it, but you can create paint cells. But if you're using very fluid paints, you really don't need a whole lot or any silicone oil. Blue and black, and I added a little sparkle to it. Did you make a fortress like you can't go through that way?
Yes.
Wow, good building. Okay, now I'm going to use my cup to swipe along the side here. This cup right here to make some cells. I just love this kind of work. You're just so creative as you go along. Another kind of blue. Okay, let's swipe this way. Ready? Here we go. Look at those cells already. Oh, wow, I really like this. See, it's spreading out. Now let's do some work on the other. Okay, I had to mix some more paints so that I could finish this out, but I really love what this is doing. Whoa, the yellow is really, really thin. Okay, now before I travel with this, I'm gonna put some green around here. Lots of nice green. In my case, I always have to look and see what I have in my workshop to work with, because of the materials and resources available to me. So I always work with what is there. Work with what is there. And then I can build on that as I build my workshop, my paints, and my resources. And so right now in my workshop, I have a lot of beautiful green. Here we go. Let's let it seep out a little bit. I want to have a negative space in the middle. Now the cells I created because the paint is different consistencies. So when I'm mixing them, I think about that on purpose. I try to some more thick and some more thin, so that we'll get that variety. See, the yellow is coming out as the cells because the yellow is the thinnest paint that I mixed. So if you know that, you can control the outcome a bit more. Necessity is the mother of invention. And I have some more black, so I could use some black on the edges here. And I like how that works out because of the contrast between the white in the center and then the black in the middle. And the black on the edge. I'm going to use the straw to move the paint around.